Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I've got this Kaiweets smart multimeter to do a review on. Kaiweets reached out to me recently and said we're going to send you a multimeter absolutely free. Please do a review on it. They've given me no money, but they've given me a multimeter free. So I'm going to just get into this and show you what I got and show you what you can get for a very low price. So the first thing we've got to do is pull this out of the box and see what we got. Check this out, we've got a user manual, which historically I have not been good at reading those. Lovely little compact meter. See, there's nice little probes on it. Very small little probes, very small little meter. Very, very nice. Batteries, of course. First things first, I'm going to compare it to my normal everyday meter that I've been using Venlab for a while. Look at the size difference. This is pocket size. It's so compact. The thing that strikes me about this meter is the fact that you can't remove the leads. Nice little probes, nice little leads, but because you can't remove them, if you happen to break one, it's not just so easy to replace them. The meter tests phase, voltage, continuity, resistance. It's got a non-contact voltage probe on the top of it. It's got a little light. This meter takes AAA batteries which are supplied with it, and they're easy installed. There's just a small screw in the back of it. The battery's installed. This is powered right up by itself. This is the on off button here, and you can see what I was talking about: voltage, resistance, continuity, non-contact voltage, live and phase. There's a wee light here. You hold that and the light comes on. It's a backlit screen, and you can switch it off the same way. We'll put it on again. The auto will test, like it says here, voltage, resistance and continuity. Voltage and continuity test are probably the most useful. I'll just take these little ends off the probes. Probably the most useful functions of this multimeter. And I do a lot of battery work on my channel, so I will test the voltage of a battery very commonly, like this. And because this is auto ranging, it'll decide what I need. It'll decide that it's going to test the voltage, 15.17 volts. This battery's thrown out, which is a little low for a 20 volt battery or 18 volt battery, whatever way you look at it. And it can also test individual cells the same way that are in this battery. And we're getting 4.19, that's a fully charged 18650 cell. So that's usually what I would use one of these for a lot of the time. Or testing continuity. See, we get her to do it, yep. So she'll auto range the continuity, so that's very, very useful too. And now the other function of that auto setting is resistance, which I wouldn't use a lot. It wouldn't be a thing that I would use. So with that said, I can go to the next function by pressing this F button. And that's non-contact voltage. So this will detect if there's voltage in the lead with that probe. So that lead's plugged in. That's a plugged in tool there. So that's detecting the power. Switch off. It's no longer detecting the power. So that's very useful if you're working at a lead or something, or you want to cut into a lead in your house to replace a break somewhere, or to replace some sort of component. You want to make sure that the lead hasn't got power on it before you start chopping into it. So if we go to function 3, that would be the live function. That'd be testing like a plug socket with the 2 probes to see if you've got power or not. That can be useful too. I wouldn't use it a lot, to be fair, because I'm not doing that kind of work. Function 4 is to test phase. Something I wouldn't use at all, but it's good to have it. And the final thing, we can go back to the auto. Final thing I didn't mention was the little light in the top. You can put it on with that button and off with that button. So that's very useful if you want to take a look in a dark place to see wires or something. It's a nice little function. There's nice little storage for the leads in the back. Very, very compact. Very useful. Something you can carry in a pocket or a small engineer's bag or something. Just something that's very useful and does a lot of the basic things you need from a multimeter without the big size of the one I showed you earlier. Thank you very much, Kaiweets, for supplying me this lovely little smart multimeter. This KM201 Kaiweets smart multimeter can be purchased from Amazon using the link pinned in the comment section and in the description as well. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and check out my channel for all my other videos.